baby, a cuckoo.
By these competitions, you will come to know you are good at which activity, so that you can develop as your hobby and it will help you in your future. I wish you all the best.
Moving on to class 4, Dikshita Mandal of B section gets first place in drawing, first place in Hindi calligraphy, first place in English calligraphy, first place in Hindi recitation and third place in dictionary reference. We are give a big round of applause, children. Swadhin Kumar Sahu of B section gets second place in Hindi calligraphy and second place in Hindi recitation. Bhavesh K of B section gets first place. English speech. The first place goes to Dikshita Mandal of OB. Edil Kritika is receiving a third. Dikshita Mandal is receiving a prize for Yellow House spelling. Second place goes to Red House. Vikram Majumdar is the winner. Second place is again shared by Blue House. Second place again is shared by two houses, green and yellow. Yellow House, the participants are Menmuri L of 5B, Aradhya of 5B, Kayuri M of 5A, Dikshita Mandal of 4B and Madhubarna Ghosh of 3B. English speech.
Let's take the baby out. The baby and the mom go out. Look baby, a cuckoo. Oh, see, here comes a cock. Cock. Baby, look at the owl on the tree. Oh no, a dog? Please don't bark. Wow, a puppy too? Look at that poor little donkey. What a beautiful horse. What a lovely cat. Oh, it's a hen. What? A turkey? Look at this elephant. Look at the tree. A monkey? Is the baby happy?
Baby shark do do, baby shark do do, baby shark do do, baby shark. Thank you.
And we are getting the prize.